Welcome to QuizTory. Are you ready to test your medieval history knowledge? Do you know which historical facts are true and which are not? The medieval period lasted from the 5th to 17th century. False. The medieval period is also known as the Golden Age. False. The Black Death was a deadly plague that struck Europe in the 14th century. True. Vikings were fierce Norse seafarers known for their raids and exploration. True. King Julian was a legendary British leader who led the defense against Saxon invaders. False. The Battle of Hastings took place in 1066 and resulted in the Norman conquest of England. True. The Magna Carta was a 13th century document that granted absolute power to the English monarchy. False. Joan of Arc was a young English peasant girl who played a significant role in the 100 Years' War. False. The Crusades were a series of religious wars fought between Christians and Muslims for control of the Holy Land. True. The medieval period saw the rise of powerful feudal lords who controlled vast territories. True. The 100 Years' War lasted for exactly 100 years. False. The medieval period saw the widespread use of gunpowder in warfare. False. The Magna Carta was signed by King Arthur of France. False. The medieval period saw the construction of iconic cathedrals, such as Notre Dame in Paris. True. Marco Polo was an Italian explorer who traveled to Asia during the medieval period. True. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share your score in the comments.